Well, today we're going to be going up on top of a mountain. We got a slide that is blocking the road, so we can't get through. Load up and head up there and see if we can fix this thing. We might end up having to do a little bit end hauling if I can't find a way to waste some material off over the edge. Throw my water in there. There's really not a whole lot of room inside the cab to put anything, so.
Here we go, Nateness TV. It's just my life. Alright, to get to where this slide is at, I am going to start working my way up the hill, just cleaning catch basins and opening up the ditches on this road system. So here I found a plugged pipe. After removing some of the trees, the water is just sitting there, it's not moving. So I'm gonna dig a little bit and see if I can get this pipe to start to receive water. Once it starts to receive water, you know you're getting close to where the pipe is at, and then you start digging careful because you don't want to rip the pipe out of the ground. Alright, I got the pipe opened up, it's receiving water. It's a little undersized, but we'll replace that later. The main objective for the day is to get up the hill and open this road up so people can get through. So here we are. This is all the debris that has to get off of this road so that we can get through it. We should be able to waste most of this material right on the edge here without having to end haul it. Let's get digging. Alright, got the road opened back up. I think it turned out pretty good. I am a little bit worried about this rock that's perched on the side here. Eventually that's going to come down, but not much I want to do about it right now. Yeah, I'm not going to lie, it's a little sketchy working right underneath the rock that's just kind of waiting to go. But hey, we got through it. So I realized after last week's video, I forgot to show this angle of throwing this boulder off the side of the mountain. So here it is now for you. Well, there you have it, guys. It's a bit of a shorter video this week because we are painting the house. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'm loving doing this, so hopefully you guys can let me know if you're liking it too. Alright, Bubba, close this out.
Thanks for watching.
Nateness TV.
Nateness TV.